Laudi. Tropang Hamog, number 10.
First 5. FX4. Ball game rep, ball game rep.
7, 14, 13, 8.
This is the battle of positioning. It's FX4 versus the undefeated Tropang Hamog. 6-0, Tropang Hamog. Sino nagsabi? Spilowa nagsabi, sa kasikuan, Caballero.
Rosales, 43,
Ay, 6-0, 6-0. Pa-message mo ni Pansera kung si Luna. May sabihin mo 290 na. Tulak mo 10. Mamaya 10. This is the battle of positioning Tropang Hamog versus FX4 by Poslaw. First position is for Air Balason. Right, coast to coast, Air Balason, foul. Foul on Caballero. First on Caballero. First team foul, Tropang Hamog.
Yung foul, yung foul. Yung foul.
First basket, first shot by Balason. It's 1-0. FX4. Now is Pilawa, the main man of Tropang Hamog. Is Pilawa. Nice pass outside. Bautista. Bang! The Joker. Bautista. 2-1. 1. Now, Sherlock. The trigger man is still on Caballero. He's now on the Joker. Now, Bautista, it's 2 or 1. 3-point lead now on Tropang Hamog. Now, Labarias. Air Balason. Bang! Air Balason now 3-4. 1-point lead on Tropang Hamog. Nice Piloa. Eurostep man, short rebound on Espiritu Santo. The trigger man again, stop pump, trigger man, bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the trigger man, the veteran. Low. 6-4. Espiloa. Now the Joker. Pass outside, steal again on Espiritu Santo. Now setting a play, acting like a point guard, guarded by the Joker. Espiritu Santo pass. Short. Rebound on the Joker. Oh, steal by the Torres. Looking for number 7. Top up, number 7. In and out. Top. Chersol. Espiritu Santo. Oh, easy shot by the long arm. Espiritu Santo now 8-4. 200-weight lead on FX4. It's a 6-0 run against FX4. Espeloa. The main man, Espeloa. Nice pass, Caballero.
Oh.
Jump ball, it's Tropang Hamog ball, Tropang Hamog.
Hawak talaga eh. Hawak talaga. Sir. Wala. Lala.
7 minutes and 37 seconds, 14 to shoot. Espiloa. Long 3, too strong. Now, Bosol, oh! Skip. Now, it's Caballero. Block. 10 to shoot. Espiloa, Caballero. Caballero, boardman, too strong. Now, Air Balason rebound. To hold Lamarias. Lamarias, the $1 million man. Now, loud. Looking for his teammates. Now, Espiritu Santo. Side step. Still, Air Balason. 10 to shoot. Black foul. Foul on number 14 on the main man is Piloa. First one is Piloa, second team foul on Tropang Hamog. It's 6 minutes and 51 seconds. 8 against 4. FX4. Now 9-4. 5-point lead now on FX4. It's 6 minutes, 51 seconds. We're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Short. The main man rebound. The main man now is Piloa. Looking for his teammate Caballero. Oh! Back-to-back turnover again on Tropang Hamog. Espiritu Santo. Pass to the trigger man. Short is on Malason. Black. That is Piloa. Now Espiritu Santo. 11-4 now. 11-4. 7-point lead now on FX4. Sir Sol. Back to the main man is Piloa. Pass to the Joker. Contista. Nice fake. And Joker again. Nice pass. Sol. Drive Sol. Black. Tap. Joker again. Too strong about the Joker. Now pass to Espiritu Santo. Espiritu Santo drives the point guard. Espiritu Santo in and out. Now Tropang Hamog. Is Piloa. The main man is 2-2. Is Piloa drive. Foul.
9, Laborias.
Foul on number 9 on the million man. Cabarias.
Record ka na.
Meron na!
First personal foul on the million man. Cabarias. First team foul on FX4. Too strong. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. First quarter. Second game. All Filipino Cup. It's a positioning game. Basket counts. Now 5-4. 5-11. 5-11. Now 5 minutes. 4-point lead now on Tropang Hamog. It's all FX4. Now the trigger man, veteran, load. To Air Balason, favorite shot, favorite shot. Now Air Sol. To Caballero. Hey! Oh! The Joker now.
Oh no! Bautista.
Last touch on Air Balason. Nice. Attempt by the Joker. 11-7. 11-7. It's 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Air Sol. Too strong. Tap. Rebound on Air Balason. Now the million man. Pass to the veteran. Low. 13 against 7. 6-point lead on FX4. The main man. Bang! Foul! Foul on number 14.
4. Espiritu Santo sa
On number 4 in Espiritu Santo.
first.
Verse 14. Foul on number 14. 15. On De Torres. First to De Torres. Second team foul. FX4. Nice shot by the main man. It's Piloa. Now 8-13. The million man now, Laborias. Pass to the trigger man, veteran. Pass the point guard. Oh! He's still on now 10-13. It's 3-point lead now on FX4. It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Still again by Caballero.
Hello.
De Torres. Air Balason, favorite shot. Rebound by the point guard. Oh! Air Sol to Caballero. Caballero, coast to coast. Caballero now 12-13. 1-point lead on FX4. It's 3 minutes and 10 seconds. It's still again Air Sol. It's 3-on-1. 3-on-2. Air Sol, Canada. Air Sol. Now 14-13. 1-point lead. Tropang Hamog. Now the million man, Cabarias. Looking for Belaod. Too strong. Rebound by the main man. Oh, Tropang Hamog ball. Tropang Hamog. It's 2 minutes and 42 seconds. 1 point lead now on Tropang Hamog. Now Spiloa. Main man. Too strong. Top. Rebound by Caballero. The Air Sol. Air Canada. Air Sol. Short. Top. Rebound by De Torres. De Torres. Looking for the million man. Labarias. Now the point guard. Santo Bang. What a shot coming from the point guard. Espiritu Santo 15 against 14. First personal foul on Air Sol, Air Canada, 13 foul, Tropang Hamog. It's 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Free throw shot for a point guard, Espiritu Santo. Air Canada now, to Caballero, 1-on-1. $1 million man, nice defense, foul. Time out on FX4. Foul on the million man. Labarias, 13 foul. FX4.
Lavaria's
Second personal foul on Labarias. The $1 million man. Labarias. 1 minute and 53 seconds. It's 15 against 14. FX4.
Ba't ka kasi nagpahuli sa game? Dapat nauna tayo, di ba?
Kasi sila. Hindi mo ulit.
Oo.
Sinabihan ko na dati. May schedule ako. 2 free throw shots on Caballero. Short. Rebound on Air Velasquez. Nice defense on Caballero. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Now the veteran Carmelo Joker. The million man, short, too strong. Rebound on the main man. It's 2-1. Caballero fake. Whoa! Caballero now 16-15. 1 point lead now, Tropang Hamog. Millionaire man, task fake. The veteran, too strong. Rebound on Air Balasan. Air Balasan, tight left, tight defense. Your soul now, it's 2-3, 2-1. Espinoa, the main man, short. Oh, the Joker. Air Canada, Air Sol. Yes, and Air Canada Sol now it's 18 against 15. 3 point lead now on Tropang Hamog. 50 seconds. Foul. Out on Rosal. Warning for penalty on Tropang Hamog. First against Rosal. Still, we are live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. This is our second game, second match. All Filipino Cup. Tropang Hamog against FX4. 43 seconds. Top, Air Canada, Air Sol. Now Rosal, it's 2-1, the main man, drive the main man! In the out again! 30 seconds! Whoa! Air Balason, 18-17. Caballero. Joker. Up to Caballero. Stop, pump. Too strong. Top. Joker. Espinoa. Short. The main man again. Yes, on the main man. 10 seconds. Five. Basket count, 19 against 20. 1 point lead on Tropang Hamog. It's second quarter ready, second quarter.
Kanina alam mo yung sweet ino-offer, tapos isang lalaki kinuha. Yung kanina yung may mga sweet. Ino-offer yung isang committee. Tapos yung isang lalaki kinuha, yun na lang iniwan.
Drop ang hamog, drop ang hamog.
Second.
Second quarter. Caballero. Spade. Back to Caballero. Right. Short jumper. 10 to shoot.
Netty.
Nepi, the rookie in our ball game. Nepi. On and one is still again by Caballero. Caballero. The Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy. Stop up. Wonder Boy. Use shoes by Wonder Boy. Still again on the drop ng hamog. Now Josan. The king. Now the king. Where's the king? The king now. Guarded by that one. The king. Stop up. Looking for the Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the Wonder Boy! 22-20, now 2-point lead on X4. 9 minutes! The main man is below, Backing violation, back violation. Turnover! Ang tropang hamog. Now the rookie, back to, now Tungtong, back to Wonder Boy, Nepi the rookie, ball too strong, rebound on, now 3-2, Caballero, basic now 22-2, it's 8 minutes and 30 seconds, the Wonder Boy, to the point guard, long drive, the point guard, Espiritu Santo 24-22. It's 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Main man, Ispiloa. Guarded by the Wonder Boy. Now Josan. Nice pass outside. Top pass. Too strong. Rebound top. The muscle man Taguntong. Muscle man now. Pass to looking for the Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy, use shoes. Wonder Boy passed outside. Now the rookie pop up. The rookie still again. On top of Hamog. 1-1. Still now. Now Josan. Josan, side-step pass, Mesante, yes, now 24 all. It's 7 minutes and 40 seconds. This is our first deadlock of the game. Tropang hamog by FX4. Now Wonder Boy is at the play. King, Ledesa, looking for the point guard down. Nice defense on Boss Josan. Now 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Second quarter, Tropang hamog versus FX4. Now the main man, Espiloa, sitting in play, looking for, now he's 14 to shoot, Espiloa. Now post Josan, drive, nice pass outside, Cabal, 6 spots short. Josan again, blocked by the point guard. Bang! Bang, 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 now 26-24, 2-point lead on Tropang hamog. It's 6 minutes and 50 seconds. The King, Ledesa. And the main man, 28-24. 4-point lead now by Tropang hamog. Now the King. Espiritu Santo point guard, King. Short. Now rebound. It's 3-on-2, 3-on-4. Jack, try. Whoa! 13-24. 6-point lead now on Tropang hamog. It's all Tropang hamog. Out the bad bounce short on the muscle man. Talutong is 3-on-2. Josan. Miscommunication on the three players of Tropang hamog. It's 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Now King Ledesa. Nice pass, King Ledesa. Steal again. Main man. Now Boss Josan. It's 3-on-4. 4-on-2. Josan dive. The main man pass Caballejo. Yun na, Caballejo again. Caballejo side step. Caballejo again. Oh, rebound on the point guard. Now on. Now, whoa, whoa. Nice pass. The muscle man. 30-20, 36. 4-point lead on Tropang Hamog. It's 5 minutes and 15 seconds. All Tropang Hamog in second quarter. Jump. To the main man is Pilawa. Again, too strong. He's epic scoreboard. Time out! Tropang Hamog. It's 5 minutes. Asa yung t-shirt? Atos lang yung t-shirt mo. Ay, t-shirt ko ang sander.
RR, yung 23. Ayan. So, yung 23, anong pangalan nun?
Prep, ay yung number 2. Ano pili mo? Muslot?
Sumulostro. Five minutes! Now we have the new coach for Tropang Hamog, RR name. Nebi. Too strong top. Now point guard Plau. Foul on number 07 on Caballejo. First on Tropang Hamog. First personal foul on Caballejo. Still we're live on the Facebook page. On Basketballista. Now the point guard, Espiritu Santo. Too strong. Our score 30-26, 4-point lead on Tropang Hamog. Short. Now the main man now is Pilawa. Setting a play, looking to Mostro. Too strong. Oh, the man on the middle now. As man, tagutong, zigzag short. Nice defense on the main man. It's 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 14 to shoot, 30-26. All about the drop. Ay, steal of the Caballejo. Johnson. Johnson is 3-1. Turnover against Boss Johnson. It's 3 minutes and 56. Still 4-point lead on Tropang Hamog. 30-26. Volleyball. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Now the main man, Pilawa. Main drive. Skip again. Now the muscle man, as the king. The king led us, king drive. Basic move, the king, too strong. Top. Rebound Moloso. To the main man, it's 3-1. The main man side step, to nice pass outside jog to Pilawa. Oh, Pilawa! Espiritu Santo. Now Nebi. 28. 2-point lead now on Tropang Hamog. It's 3 minutes. What a great defense from Mid-Export. Two offense to defense. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. King Galesa looking for the Wonder Boy. To the muscle man, Taguntong. Still. Wonder Boy now. 10 to shoot. 10. Muscle man. Grip. Whoa! The point guard. Espiritu Santo. 30 all.
Caballejo.
Ow! King, let us a foul. Foul on number 7 on Caballejo. Second on Caballejo. Second team foul. Tropang Hamog. Now the Wonder Boy. Muscleman, Brad, Muscleman, pass outside. Oh, King Ladesa. Stepping on the line on the rookie. 1 minute and 59 seconds. Main man, Ispeloa. Sumulososo.
Solo master.
Jag.
Bang.
Oh, Caballo! Big! Wow! What about my Caballo? 32 to 30. Now, rookie. Top. Main man. Oh, nice. Oh, may save on the main man. Johnson. Caballo. Stop, pump. Short. Rebound on King Ladesa. 1 minute and 20 seconds. King Ladesa, 3-2. King Ladesa sa isa. Foul. Foul on the main man, on Speloa. 13 foul on Tropang Hamog.
Uy, magdi mo tayo, sayang yung time out.
Tama ka?
Check.
31-32.
Dalawa second.
Second personal foul on the main man, Speloa. To all, 1 minute and 10 seconds. This is our second game, second match. Coach Pinier, hey there, Coach Pinier. Jag. Oh, alam mo, Baez Pelo. Oh, top. Tiruki. One rebound again. Steal on the Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy pass to the rookie. Whoa, what a great move from the rookie now. 34 to 32, 2.94. Main man. Stop by main man. Looking for Sumuloso. Johnson, Sumuloso again.
Solo master.
Yes, 30 for all. 30 seconds.
Oh, walang sundot, walang sundot. Dipa. Oh, yun lang.
Now 25 seconds, 25 seconds.
'Last shot tayo, last shot. Jay, last shot, Jay. Last shot.
Sumuloso. Favorite shot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Sumuloso. 15 seconds. King. Short. King again. Foul. Warning for penalty on Tropang Hamog. First on Jag. Still we're live on the Facebook page. On Basketballista, it's Tropang Hamog. Versus FX4, it's 37-35, 2-point lead on Tropang Hamog. It's 7 seconds. 36-37.
Last shot.
Main man, 5 seconds. And number second quarter score, only 1 point lead on Tropang Hamog, 37 against the 36. Third quarter ready, third quarter. Third quarter. It FX4 ball, FX4.
Pwede ba? Mag-flash ka. Mag-sorry ka sa center.
Ball game rep, ball game rep.
Boss, parang ano, talabas na.
Siyam na kayo? Siyam? Now the veteran, steal by the Joker. Oh! Now 2-1. Sumulos Tosto, side step, left-handed. Wow! What a great left-handed by Sumulos Tosto, now 39 to 36. 3-point lead now, Tropang Hamog. Muscleman, top. Rebound on the Joker. The Joker now. It's Leon 3. Joker goes to the Joker! In and out. Rebound on the veteran. It's 2-1. King. I'll move from the Nascent Agong. It's 39-38. 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Third quarter. Second game. All Filipino Cup. Air Canada, Air Sol. Nice pass. The Joker. Yo-yo move. Foul. Foul on number 23. 30 on Air Balasan. First on Air Balasan. First team foul. Apex 4.
I shoot
Nice shot by the Joker. 40-38. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Short. It's all Joker. Now 40-38. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Inbounding Air Balasan to the veteran Triggerman. Load. Axelman back to Triggerman. Rookie. 5 to shoot.
Balasan.
Rebound by Air Canada to Subulostro. Nice drive. Whoa! Automatic cuts by Subulostro. 42-38. 4-point lead now, Tropangabong. Nice defense. Nice defense. On Air Canada. Air Sol. Now 8 minutes. 4-point lead now, Tropangabong. Tap again, rebound. Fancy pass coming from the veteran. Low. Now Rosal. To the Joker. Back to Rosal. Joker.
Venga.
Air ball. Air Balasan now. Air Balasan looking for the King. King Ladesa. Pass to veteran. Veteran. Bang, 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 bang on the veteran. Trigger Mellow. It's 42-41. 2-point lead on Tropangabong. Sumulostro. Now Rosal. Stop pump. Looking for Air Canada. Favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound on Jerry Josan. Jerry Josan take. Right? Nice defense on Air Balasan. Now the rookie. Rookie. 43-42. 1-point lead now. LX4.
I shot. Bang.
King Ladesa. Guarded by the Joker. 1-1. Nice steal by the Joker. Nice defense on the Joker. It's 6 minutes and 28 seconds. 16 to shoot. Inbounding the King. The rookie, 14 to shoot. 14. Oh, nice stop coming from Air Balasan now 45-42. 3-point lead on MX4. Rookie to Rosal. Subulostro short. Now rebound Rosal. Take, easy take. Back to Rosal. Hold Subulostro. Same spot. Bang, short. Rebound on Air Canada. Now the veteran. Now Subulostro. Air Sol. Nice pass outside. Nice defense on 14 to shoot. 14. It's 5 minutes and 33 seconds. 10 to shoot. Oh, again in and out by Boss Johnson. Oh, turnover.
Science.
Turnover is 4. It's 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Now the Joker. Pass to Subulostro. 3-point shot. In and out. Rebound on top. Now, last stats. Time out on FX4. Still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Strong Pangamog versus FX4. Back to the game.
Labarias, pasok. Labarias, pasok, Labarias.
Still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista.
Challenge lang, challenge.
Now the veteran. Too strong. Now King James. King Ladesa. Air ball. Too strong again. Now. Kalawat rebound on air. Palazzo now 4 minutes and 33 seconds. It's 45 to 42. 3-point lead on FX4. Air Shaw, Air Canada.
Ya, wala na sulod. Wala na sulod.
Tira.
Rosal. Air Sol. Yo! Flying high. Up in the sky. Flying high. Air Sol. Now 45 to 44. 1-point lead on FX4. The veteran. Guarded by that nice move by the veteran. Outside the King Ladesa. 47-44. Back to 3-point lead on drop down FX4. Nice pass. Sumulostro. Now guarded by the King. Sumulostro. Looking for Rosal. Rosal. Too strong again. In and out by the Daddy Rosal. The veteran move! The trigger man! 49-44. Hard punted now at FX4. Joker.
Reserve, sub.
Foul.
Sub.
Substitution that. Foul on number 12 on King Ladesa. Second team foul on FX4. Second on King Ladesa. 2 free throw shot given by the Joker Bautista.
A shooter,
Shot.
shooting.
The Joker now is a shooter. 45-49. Now 46 to 49. 3-point lead on FX4. It's 3 minutes. Third quarter. Second game. All Filipino Cup by Basketballista. Now the Wonder Boy. Trigger man again. Looking for... nice pass outside. Air balance and fake. Block. Nice defense on Caballero. Caballero, that Joker. Pass the Joker now. 48 to 49. 1-point lead on every 40 minutes and 40 seconds. It's a 4-0 run on Tropangamong. Wonder Boy. Now the Muscle Man. Escape. Muscle Man. Right. Block again by the Joker. Last touch of the Joker. It's all about Joker. 49 to 48. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Muscle Man looking for the Trigger Man. Bang! Nothing but net by the Trigger Man. It's 52 to 48. 4-point lead back to draw FX4. Rosal to the Joker. Rebound on the King. One minute and 40 seconds. Again, the Trigger Man escape. Trigger Man looking for the King. The King take. King 14 to shoot. Still on Caballero. 1-1. The Joker, where are you? Start! Johnson, take. Bang! Basket down and 1 on Johnson. Mr. Plexi Johnson. Foul on the Wonder Boy. Warning on Wonder Boy. Second personal foul on Wonder Boy. 13 foul at FX4. 50 against 52. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Herbalason. Now load. Still out now. Oh, Time out! On! Drop ang hamog. It's 1 minute 11 seconds. Still we're live. And alive. On the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's 1 minute 11 seconds on third quarter. 54 to 50. FX4. Drop ang hamog. All Filipino Cup. Season 6. One minute 11 seconds. Main man now. Main man. Now Brian will do it again. It's below. Too strong. Ow! Where Balason. Nice box out by the small and great things. Oh, no wonder boy. Now 1-on-1. Jump. The king. Back to Trigger Man again. Nothing but net. 57. 50. It's 40 seconds. He's still again on the Trigger Man. It's 30 seconds. The king. 1-on-1. 2 and 3. Loud. Now 14 to shoot. Looking for someone. Air Balason, favorite shot again. Shorty one on Air Canada, Air Soul. Now 3-1. Air Soul, Air Canada, pass. Jag. It's 0 again. Jag to Caballero. Short. 10 seconds. Wonder Boy. 5 seconds.
Tira.
Last quarter. It's 57-50. All FX4 in the third quarter. Drop a habog. Fourth quarter.
Wala lagi, kuha. Ay, puti oh. Paalam puti.
Tisha.
Puti.
Ano? Oo, isa! Sige, Gani. Lubong! Ano ba ang pasay? Oh! Pasay!
Drop ang hamog. Still we're live and alive on the Facebook page on Basketballista. And our two official referee for today is Zumong and Manuel. Defense on X4, defense on FX4. Caballero. To the main man is below, Caballero. Sumulososto. Air Balason. Now the point guard, Espiritu Santo. Point guard now. Million man, nice pass. Gutierrez again. 10 to shoot, 10. Tap. Air Balason. Yo move. Chag to Caballero, all alone, Caballero, now 52 to 57. 5-point lead on the X4, it's 9 minutes and 28 seconds. This is just last quarter, fourth quarter, last game. From Panghamog versus FX4. Now, pass to the big boss man. Too strong, top by Air Canada. Oh, the million man, Marman, 40 to shoot. The big boss man, Torres, 10 to shoot. Point guard. The point guard. Foul. Foul on number 14 on Jag. First team foul on Tropang Hamog. Second personal foul on Jag.
Hindi sinasadya. Hindi.
Air Soul again, Air Soul. Now it's 3-1, Air Soul. Foul. Foul on the veteran, the trigger man, Lou. First on the trigger man, Veteran load. First team foul on FX4. 5-point lead on FX4, 57-52.
Oh, gitna, oh. Gitna, cut.
Main man. Now the trigger man, veteran trigger man load. Looking for the million man. Air Balason. Too strong. Surastro. Now the main man. All alone, guarded by, yes, on the main man. Now 54-57 for 3-point lead. On FX4. It's 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Ow! Point guard.
Santo.
Ha!
Sol.
Foul on number 8 on Soul. Timeout! FX4.
Sol, second personal foul.
Second personal foul on the Air Soul Air Canada. Second team foul. Tropang mo. We have to thank all our official referee for this. Jomong in action. And Manuel, the great.
Sabi ni sa blood unprofessional. Talagang wala punta ka na. Nung naglaro nung naniningil ako. Nagsusumbong siya kay Richard ng isang pang napaka-unprofessional. Di naman niya sabihin sa'yo. Ba't sa kanya sinasabi?
2 free throw shot for the point guard sa Espiritu Santo.
Ay. Apakalaki eh. Shot mo yan.
Out jump. Now the Joker now. Joker drive goes to goal. Pass out to Caballero. Oh! Caballero now 56-57. 1 point lead now. FX4. It's 7 minutes. It's all to Ropang Hamong. 6-0 run against Ropang Hamong. Now the rookie. Pass to the trigger man, veteran load. Oh! Turnover. It's white ball, all white. Now it's Piloa. Caballero. South spot. Top. Now Air Canada short. Rebound on the big boss man.
Baba!
Caballero. Now Air.
Likod, ha?
The million man. Side step short.
Sayang ang light.
Whoa! The main man
Substitution.
is below. Now 58-57. 1 point lead on Tropang Hamog. It's 6 minutes and 10.
Laubi.
It's Tropang Hamog and MX4 are all Filipino ka. Now 60-57, 3-point lead on Tropang Hamog. 6 minutes.
Pasa muna.
Ow! Still by that.
Advantage.
Foul on the big boss man, Di Torres. Substitution up. Second personal foul on the big boss man, Di Torres. Second team foul on FX4. It's 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Now the main man is Piloa.
Pasa lang.
Joker, 14 to shoot. Whoa! What a great move on that Joker! 62-57, 5 minutes and 20 seconds. All Tropang Hamog. It's 8-0 run against Tropang Hamog. Masselman. Right, pass outside on the point guard. Short, tug. All alone on the Joker. 64-67. 7-point lead now on Tropang Hamog. What a great play. What a great defense on Tropang Hamog. Masselman to the rookie. Stop. Crossover, rookie, drive blocked by Air Canada. It's 14 to shoot. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. It's 7-point lead on Tropang Hamog. Ten to shoot. Rebound on Jag. Now Jag. Caballero. Looking for Espiloa. The main man Espiloa. Drive, side step. Roller is too strong. Rebound on the King Ladesa. Stop up. Bang! Nothing but net again by the trigger man, veteran low. It's 60-64. 4-point lead from Hamog. Main man. Nice pass, Caballero. Side step. Oh, short! Caballero again. Block by the point guard. King James, King Ladesa. High steal. Stun. Move. Now the muscle man drive, muscle man coast to coast, looking for the veteran now. Nice defense on the Joker. Substitution grab, sub-rap. It's 64-60. Inbounding Joker to Jag. Back to Joker. Caballero. Espiloa, the main man, 40 to shoot.
Nice.
Short, top. The point guard, Espiritu Santo. Muscleman now. Muscleman, right, Muscleman goes to goal. Too strong top by the Joker now. Jag, it's 2-2. It's 3-2. Jag, looking for the main man. Main man, stop up. Going by the
Oras.
man. Nice pass. Oh, in and out again by Air Soul. Now the veteran. 1-1 by Caballero. Veteran, guarded by Caballero top. Nice defense by Caballero. 15 to shoot. 4 minutes and 43 seconds.
Isa na lang, wala na. Ano isa?
2 minutes and 41 seconds. Time out! Tropang Hamog.
Kailangan may isisinari sa inyo.
Now Tropang Hamog, no timeout left. Both teams have 2. Team foul. 2 minutes and 41 seconds. It's Tropang Hamog versus FX4. Our All Filipino Cup. Now the trigger man, veteran load. The King. Whoa! Air Balasan now 62-64, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2-point lead now, Tropang Hamog. The Joker now. Pass to Johnson. Main man, Caballero. In and out. Go! Again! In and out by Canada. It's 2 minutes and 10. Only 2-point lead by Tropang Hamog. Last 2 minutes. Oh, 64 all. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Foul. 1 minute and 46. One minute.
Hindi kaya dalawa.
1 minute.
Dalawa. Baba.
1 minute and 30 seconds. Block! Nice block by Johnson. 1 minute and 20. Short! Oh, di ba by Caballero? Foul! 13 foul, FX4, 13 foul.
Bigay na rep, bola rep, bilis rep.
1 minute and 12 seconds. 14 to shoot, 14, that's it. Ten to shoot.
Tira, tira na, tira.
5 to shoot.
Uy,
Foul.
Tangina, hahabol ka pa.
57 seconds, 57. Warning for penalty. Warning.
Wala sa second personal foul.
57 seconds, 57. Seconds. Time to shoot.
Baba! Baba na!
40 seconds.
Dali mo!
Ano yun?
Whoa! 66, 65, 30 seconds.
Uy,
Wow. 21 seconds, 21.
Score mo.
66, 65, 66, 65. Dalawa rep, bilis rep. 21 seconds, 21.
Hindi.
RJ, dalawa. Dalawa.
21 seconds.
Nice.
66 all, 66.
Pag na-shot nyo yan, yun na yan. Kaya nga, challenge na.
Time out. Oh, let's go. 21 seconds. 21 seconds.
Ayan, tao-tao na kayo. Ilan na, ilan mo?
21 seconds, 21.
Dalawa pa?
Isa! Isa na lang.
Isa lang, third. Ilang check pa niya. Ilang foul nila. Pagkakamog. Foul, pagkakamog.
Open shot,
Ting.
Team foul cut, magtatlo.
Dalawa, tatlo.
21 seconds, 21.
Tatlo, dalawa.
Dalawa.
Oh, 14 seconds, 14. Ten seconds.
Bola rep. Kunin bola rep.
10 seconds, 10. 10 seconds, 10.
Basta wala kong yan sa 10 seconds na yan. Sure. Dalawa yan, sure. Shoot po, dalawa. Wala na. Nice.
68, 66. 10 seconds.
Uy, pinaul! May isa pa.
13 foul. Tropang hamog. 8 seconds.
Isa pa.
13 foul. Tropang hamog. 13 foul. 8 seconds.
Oh!
Score mo, score.
66, 68.
Okay.